Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karaski Orchid School. Students, in our last session we have seen exercise 3.4. Today again I am going to take two more sums from exercise 3.4. So look at the board here. Now we will take the question number 7th and 9th. So look at the board here. See, the 7th number is, first number is 234 minus 2345 plus 5432. Now see what you have to do. In the last session only I told you how to solve these type of sums. Okay, so see the first number 234, which is a 3-digit number. Here 2345, which is a 4-digit number, and this number is also 4-digit number. Now we have to solve these sums. Okay, so what you will do, first of all we have to write this first number as it is in the step 1. See, this is the step 1. Okay, in the step 1 what we will do, just we will take this first number as it is. Okay, compulsory we have to take this first number. Okay, what is the number? 234. Then what is next? Next we have to take the number with plus sign before it. Now see, these two numbers are remaining now. Okay, now which number is having plus sign before it? See this number 2345. It having negative sign, minus sign, and see this number 5434. This number have plus sign before it. So first, in between these two numbers, which number we will take? This number 5432. Okay, so write here 5432. Here we will write their places, ones, tens, hundreds. This is thousands. So in the first step what we have to do, we have to add the first number to the number which is having plus sign before it. Okay, so in the step 1 we have to do the addition. So let us do the addition. See the ones place, here in the ones place here 4 ones and here 2 ones are there. So do the addition, 4 plus 2. After 4 count your 2 fingers. 4 plus 2, 6. So write 6 at ones place. Then we will go to the tens place. Here 3 tens are there, and in the second number also, here also 3 tens are there. So 3 tens plus 3 tens, 3 plus 3 again 6. Then we will move to the hundreds place. Here in the hundreds place, here 2 hundreds are there and here 4 hundreds are there. So 2 plus 4, count your fingers after 2, count your 4 fingers after 2, 2 plus 4, 6. Okay, now what is remaining? Thousands place is remaining. Here at thousands place nothing is there, means here we have to consider 0 here, and here in the second number here 5000s are there. So 0 plus 5, 5. Okay, this is the sum of these two numbers. Okay, now in step 2 what we have to do? In the step 2, yes, in the step 2 we have to take this sum as it is here. What is the sum? 5666. Let us write their places. This is thousands place, hundreds place, tens and ones. Now in the step 2 what we have to do? In the step 2 we have to do the subtraction now. Okay, now which number is having minus sign? This number is having minus sign before it. Okay, so write this number as it is, 2345, and do the subtraction. See the ones place. At ones place here 6 ones are there and here 5 ones are there. So 6 minus 5. After 5 count your fingers till 6. 6 minus 5, 1. So write 1 here. Then see the tens place. Okay, in the tens place, in the first number there are 6 tens, and in the second number there are 4 tens. So 6 minus 4 is equal to what? 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Then see the other number. At hundreds place here 6 hundreds are there and here 3 hundreds are there. So 6 minus 3, do the subtraction. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, and at thousands place here 5 thousands are there and here 2 thousands are there. 5 minus 2, after 2 count your fingers till 5. 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, so what is the answer? The answer is 3321. So at the end you have to write the final answer, that is 3321. This is the answer. Okay, then one more example we will take, that is 9th one example we will see now. Read the number. What is the first number? The first number is 5234. Second is 3259 and the third number is 3031. Okay, now we have to solve these sums. First step. In the first step, what we are going to do? In the first step, we are going to do the addition. Okay, so for that, in the first step we should take first number as it is. What is the first step? First number 5234, which is a 4-digit number. So write their places first and write the number as it is, 5234. Then in the first step we have to do the addition. So now these two numbers are remaining. Okay, now in between these two numbers, which number will you take? The number which is having plus sign before it. So which number is having plus sign? Yes, this number is having plus sign. So first of all we will take this number 3031 and we have to do the addition in the first step. Okay, so students, you have to keep one thing in your mind while solving these types of examples. First of all, in the step 1 you have to do the addition. Okay, so let us do the addition now. 4 ones plus 1 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Then move to the tens place. 3 tens plus 3 tens. 3 plus 3, 6. See the hundreds place. Here 2 hundreds are there and here 0 hundred is there. 2 plus 0, 2. And at thousands place, 5000 plus 3000. 5 plus 3, 8000. Okay, now what is the sum of these two numbers? The sum is 8265. Okay, see, in the first step we have done the addition. Now in the step 2, what we are going to do in the step 2? In the step 2 we are going to do the subtraction. Okay, for that first of all we have to write this sum here. See, what is the sum? 8265, which is a 4-digit number. So write their places first, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones, and then we will write this number 8265. Then here in the step 2 we are going to do the subtraction. Okay, now see the question. In the question, which number is having minus sign? This number, this middle number is having minus sign. So we will take this number here, 3259, and then we will do the subtraction. Now see the ones place. At ones place, in the first number there are 5 ones and in the second number there are 9 ones. So 5 ones minus 9 ones. Can we do 5 minus 9? No. Why we can't do 5 minus 9? Because 5 is smaller than 9. Okay, 5 is smaller than 9. So then what we will do? Just we will cut this 5 and write 5 as it is. Okay, and then we will move to the tens place. Okay, this is tens is the neighbor of ones. Okay, so tens is having now 6. So we will take one borrow from this 6. So 6 minus 1 is equal to 5, and here we will take one borrow from this 6. Now do the subtraction. 15 minus 9. Now after 9 you have to count your fingers till 15. So count your fingers after 9. Yes, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Okay. Then see the tens place. Here 5 tens are there and here also 5 tens are there. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Then we will move to the hundreds place. Here 2 hundreds are there and here also 2 hundreds are there. So 2 minus 2 is equal to again 0. So put 0 at hundreds place. Then we will move to the thousands place. See here 8,000s are there and here 3,000s are there. So 8,000 minus 3,000. After 3 count your fingers till 8. Count your fingers after 3. Yes, 8 minus 3, 5. So what will be the answer? The answer is 5,006. So finally at the end here we have to write the answer, that is 5,006. This will be the answer of the question. Okay. So in this way you have to solve the remaining sums from exercise 3.4. Now students, we are going to see the next exercise, that is exercise 3.5. Open your textbook and read the question. Exercise 3.5, story sums. Okay. Now see, first story sums, it has been solved for you in the textbook itself. So we will see the question number 2. What is the question? Read the question. The question is, find the sum of 3,079 and 4,732 and subtract 1,968 from the total. See, what is the question? Read it carefully once again. Find the sum. Sum means what? We have to do the addition. Okay. Addition of which two numbers? 3,079 and 4,732. Okay. So what we have to do first? We have to do the addition of 3,079 and 4,732. Okay. And subtract 1,968 from the total. See, in the first step we are going to do the addition of these two numbers. After addition, whatever sum or whatever total we will get, from that total we are going to subtract this number, that is 1,968. So here we can write minus 1,968. Okay. Now let us solve. What is the step 1? In the step 1, what we are going to do? We are going to do the addition. So write this first number as it is. See, all are 4-digit numbers. So draw the place value chart. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Okay. Write the first number 3,079. Then plus, in the step 1 we have to do the addition. Okay. So which number is having plus sign? This number. And in the question itself they have told us 3,079 and 4,732. We have to add these two numbers. So let us add 4,732. Do the addition of these two numbers. 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2. Yes. 9 plus 2. 11. So write 11 means 1 and 1 10. So write 1 at ones place and give 1 carry to the tens place. Now see the tens place. Here at tens place 1, 7 and 3. These three numbers are there. Okay. So 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7. Where is it? 1 plus 7? 8. Then 8 plus 3. After 8 count here 3 fingers. 8 plus 3. 9, 10, 11. Again we got 11. So again we will write here 1 and we will give 1 carry as carry to the hundreds place. See the hundreds place now. here 1, here 0 and here 7. These 3 numbers are there. Okay, so add these 3 numbers. 1 plus 0, 1. Then 1 plus 7, 8. Okay, see the thousands place. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, do the addition. 3 plus 4, 7. So what is the sum? The sum is 7811. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to subtract 1968 from the total. This is our total. Okay, addition of these two numbers. Now here we got the sum 7811. From this 7811 we have to subtract this number now. Okay, so let us do the step 2. In the step 2, of course we are going to do the subtraction only. Okay, so draw the place value chart as all are 4-digit numbers. Write the sum. The sum is 7811 minus, we have to subtract 1968 from the total. So do the subtraction. 1968. See the ones place. At ones place, in the first number 1 is there and in the second number 8 is there. So 1 minus 8 is equal to, yes, we can't do 1 minus 8. Why we can't do? Because 1 is smaller than 8. So we can't do here subtraction. Then what we will do? Yes, just cut this 1 and write as it is. And then we will go to the neighbor. Now who is the neighbor of ones? Tens is the neighbor of ones. Now see, this neighbor is having 1. Tens is having 1. So we will take 1 borrow from this tens. 1 minus 1. Here 0 will remain and this 1 will become 11. Now do the subtraction. 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8. After 8, count your fingers till 11. 9, 10, 11. So 11 minus 8, 3. So write 3 at ones place. Then we will move to the tens place. See here, now here 0 is remaining. 0 minus 6. Can we do 0 minus 6? No, we can't do 0 minus 6. Why we can't do? Because again 0 is smaller than 6. So here also we can't do the subtraction. Okay, then what we will do? Just we will cut the 0 and write here as it is, and then we will move to the neighbor. Who is the neighbor of tens? Hundreds place is the neighbor of tens. Then this 100 is having 8. So we will take 1 borrow from the 8. So 8 minus 1 if we will do, here 7 will remain and this 0 will become 10. Okay, now you can do the subtraction. 10 minus 6. After 6, count your fingers till 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 minus 6 is equal to what? 4. So write 4 at tens place. Then we will move to the hundreds place. See here 7 and here 9. Again 7 is smaller than 9. So again here we can't do the subtraction. Okay, 7 minus 9 we can't do. Then what we will do? Just we will cut the 7 and write as it is at the top, and then we will move to the neighbor. Who is the neighbor of 100? Thousands place is the neighbor of 100. Now this neighbor is having 7. So take 1 borrow from this 7. 7 minus 1, here 6 will remain and this 7 will become 17. Now do the subtraction. 17 minus 9. Yes, 17 minus 9. After 9, count your fingers till 17. Count your fingers. Yes, 8. Okay, 17 minus 9, 8. Then see the thousands place. Here 6 is there, here 1 is there. 6 minus 1, 5. Okay, so what is the answer? The answer is 5843. So here you can write the answer 5843. Okay, so in this way you can solve this example. Okay, then shall we go to the next? Okay, till that time read the question. Next question, that is question number 3. What is the question? It is a story sum. So read the question in your mind. See the question. Gopal had to travel 3850 kilometer. He travelled 460 kilometer by bus and 1286 kilometer by train and the rest by car. What distance did he travel by car? Now see the question. Gopal had to travel 3850 kilometer. Okay. Total how much distance he want to travel? 3850. Okay. Out of this 3850, he travelled 460 kilometer by bus and 1286 kilometer by train. Okay. So first of all, what we will do? We will add these two numbers, that is 460 plus 1286. Okay. Then we will get the total distance travelled by Gopal, and then we will subtract the sum, or we will subtract the total distance from the this number. Then we will get the distance he travelled by the car. Okay. See. Then minus, yes, first of all do the addition. First of all we will do the addition in the first column. Okay. So do the addition. This is 3-digit number and this is 4-digit number. So write place value chart and put the value in the place value chart. What is the first number? First number is 460. Then do the addition, 1286. Add this number. 0 plus 6, 6. 6 plus 8, yes, 14. So write here 4 and we will give 1 carry as a carry to the hundreds place. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Okay. And here at thousands place only 1 is there. So what answer we got? 1746. See, this 460 kilometer he travelled by bus, isn't it? And 1286 kilometer distance he travelled by train. Okay. Then what we have to found now? What distance did he travelled by car? Now what is the total distance he had to travel? Total distance is 3850. Again this is a 4-digit number. So from 3850, as this is a total distance, from this total distance we are going to subtract the distance travelled by bus and train. What is the distance? 1746. Do the subtraction now. See, at one's place here 0 is there and here 6 is there. Here we can write distance travelled by train and bus. Okay. Then we will get the distance travelled by car. Okay. See the ones place. Here 0 is there, here 6 is there. 0 minus 6. Can we do 0 minus 6? Yes, we can't do 0 minus 6. Then what we will do? Just we will cut this 0 and write as it is at the top. And then we will move to the neighbor. Who is the neighbor of ones? Tens is the neighbor of ones. Now this is having 5. Tens is having 5. So we will take one borrow from this 5. So 5 minus 1 if we will do, here 4 are remaining. And here 0 will become 10. Okay. Now do the subtraction. 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6, 4. See the tens place, here 4 are there and here also 4 is there. 4 minus 4, 0. Then we will move to the hundreds place. Here 8 and here 7. 8 minus 7. Do the subtraction. 8 minus 7, 1. Okay. Then we will move to the thousands place. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so what is the answer? He travelled 2104 kilometer by car. So here answer we can write, he travelled 2104 kilometer by car. Okay, so in this way we can solve these story sums. Okay, now see the next one, fourth one. What is the question? The next question is, in a forest there were 1728 pine trees and 2486 other kinds of trees. 506 trees fell in a storm. How many trees remain standing? Now what we have to do? In a forest there were 1728 pine trees and 2486 other kinds of trees. First of all, we will see total number of trees in the forest. So first of all, what we will do? How many trees are there? We will see how many trees are there in the forest. So for that, there were how many trees of pine trees? 1728. Okay, and how many other kinds of trees were there? 2486. If we will add these two numbers, then we will get the total number of trees present in the forest. And out of that total, how many trees fell in the storm? 506 trees. So we will subtract this 506 from the total. Okay, so let us do the step 1. In the step 1, we will do the addition. Okay, see, write first number as it is. This is 1000, this is 100, this is tens and ones. What is the number? 1728 plus the second number is 2486. 1728 pine trees. Okay, these are the pine trees and these are the other types of trees. So we can write here other trees. Now do the addition of these two numbers, then we will get the total number of trees present in the forest. Let us do the addition. 8 plus 6, yes, 14. So here we can write 4 and 1 will give as carry to the tens place. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 8, 11. So write 1 here and 1 will give carry. Then see the hundreds place. Here 1 is there, here 7 is there. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. So write 2 here and give 1 carry to the thousands place. Now see the thousands place. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So write here 4 at thousands place. So this is the total number of trees present in the forest. Now how many trees fell in the storm? 506 trees fell in storm. So after subtraction we will get the remaining number of trees. Okay, so in the step 2, what we will do? We will do the subtraction. Okay, total how many trees were there in the forest? 4214. So write 4214. Okay, these are the total number of trees. From these trees, how many trees fell down? 506. So we will subtract 506. See the ones place. Here 4 is there, here 6 is there. 4 minus 6 we can't do because 4 is smaller than 6. So what we will do? Just cut this 4, write as it is. Then go to the neighbor. Neighbor is having only 1. So 1 minus 1, here 0 will remain and here this 4 will become 14. Now do the subtraction. 14 minus 6. Yes, 14 minus 6, 8. See the tens place. Now here 0 is there, here also 0 is there. 0 minus 0, 0. Then see the hundreds place. Here 2 hundreds are there and here 5 hundreds are there. 2 minus 5. Again here we can't do 2 minus 5 because 2 is smaller than 5. So just cut these 2, write as it is and then go to the neighbor. This 1000 is the neighbor of 100. So this 1000 is having 4. Take 1 borrow from this 4. So 4 minus 1, 3. So write here 3 and this 2 will become 12. Now do the subtraction at hundreds place. 12 minus 5. After 5, count your fingers till 12. 12 minus 5, 7. So write 7 at hundreds place. Now see the thousands place. Here only 3 is there and here nothing is there, means here we can consider 0. Okay, so 3 minus 0, 3. So how many trees are standing there? Still 3708. So how will you write the answer? 3708 trees remain standing. Okay, so we will write the answer. Only we have to remove this question word how many. Instead of this question word, we will put the answer and everything is there only. Okay, so 3708 trees remain standing. Okay, so in this way you can solve the fourth one. Okay, now see students, from the exercise 3.5 today we have taken 4 story sums. In the exercise there are total 6 story sums are there and today we have taken 4 story sums and remaining story sums, that is 5th and 6th, that you have to solve by your own. And here today we have completed our lesson number 3. In very soon we will start the new lesson. Okay, so till that time you have to do the practice of all the types of sums and you have to complete this exercise. In the next session we will see the new lesson. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.